The river used to be a creek. A lake in Bastrop State Park. The dam collapsed, and this is the result of all the water coming down. There's only an island of green grass on our lot that we bought. Everything else is underwater, part of the river. And this is a minor, tiny little creek that now is flooded. Way back in the far distance is Canapali, and the water is running over the road, washing the road out. This minor creek to the right is closed to our street, Manawananui. We are locked out. We can't go anywhere until the waters recede. Never seen anything like it.